Hi, number lists are always a pain. Here is how to control them a bit better in WordPress and to make them start with whatever number you like, both in the new Gutenberg Block Editor and in the Classic WordPress Editor. We'll start with a normal new block editor. Here, all we have to do is to first create a new list and then click the Options button in the toolbar and select Show More Settings. Now in the menu to the right, there's an option called Start Value. Here we can simply insert any number that we want to make our list start with, and that is basically it. Also, if we want to insert a picture into a list, all we have to do is to insert the picture like normal, where it's supposed to be. After the image is inserted, we then have to create a new list block and set the start value to the next logical number, in this case 5, to make it look like the list continues after the image, even though it's actually a new list with a different start number compared to the first one. The procedure is roughly the same in the Classic WordPress Editor, with the exception of that there's no nifty field to simply input a start value for our list. Here we instead have to select the text tab up to the right in the editor window. This makes us see our page in code mode. We now need to locate our list that starts with an OL, that stands for ordered list. If there's no other code within the brackets surrounding the OL text, a list would automatically start with the number 1. If we, however, type space followed by the text start equals quotation mark and then the number we want our list to start with followed by another quotation mark, we can then instead force the list to start with that specific number. And the same procedure follows here as it did in the block editor when it comes to inserting an image into the list. We simply choose to add an image and then add another list below it. Since it's a new list, it'll automatically start with the number 1, but if we again switch to the text tab and locate our new list, we can then input start equals quotation mark 5 quotation mark to make it look like a list continues on after the image, even though it is, just like before, actually 2 lists with an image in between them. Hope the video helped you. Thank you for watching. Bye!